Have you ever wondered how signals travel from a radio station to your home radio, or how the internet data gets transmitted to your computers and mobile devices? Well, the magic behind this transmission is the work of transmission lines, the unsung heroes of our interconnected world. In the realm of electrical engineering, a transmission line is a specialized structure or cable designed to guide electromagnetic waves in a contained manner. The term transmission line comes into play when the conductors are long enough that the wave nature of the transmission has to be considered. This is particularly important in radio frequency engineering, where short wavelengths mean that wave phenomena arise over very short distances, sometimes as short as millimeters, depending on the frequency. Historically, the theory of transmission lines was developed to explain phenomena on very long telegraph lines, especially submarine telegraph cables. Today, transmission lines are employed for various purposes, such as connecting radio transmitters and receivers with their antennas, distributing cable television signals, routing calls between telephone switching centers, and facilitating computer network connections and high-speed computer data buses. Transmission lines can be overhead or underground, depending on environmental conditions, geography, sensitivity, and cost. Medium transmission lines allow a voltage range from 20 to 100 kilovolts, while low-tension cables are used for voltages up to 1 kilovolt in underground transmission line systems. Voltages above 100 kilovolts form long transmission lines, where line constants are considered distributed elements in the analysis of these lines. Underground transmission lines consist of one or more conductors with insulation and protective covering over it. The construction of these lines includes components such as the core or conductors, insulation, metallic sheath, bedding, armoring, and serving. There are several types of underground cables available, and selecting the right one involves considering the working voltage and service requirements. So, in summary, the transmission lines are the unassuming powerhouses that enable the transfer of data and signals across vast distances, making our modern interconnected world possible. They are designed to handle electromagnetic waves, with their length and type depending on the nature of the waves and the voltage required. Whether they are overhead or underground, these lines are an integral part of our everyday lives, connecting us to the world and each other.